So in this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create presentations using AI in a very fast way. So as you can see, this presentation was designed using the AI that we're going to use in this video. This AI tool makes powerful presentations, as you can see in the video. So this video is available on the channel, so I will tag it somewhere around in the video so that you can also go ahead and check it out. It creates, it makes it look beautiful, and it creates AI images also, and even you can also upload your custom images. We're going to go to the tool. So these are sponsored products. We are going to eliminate them, but we're going to go to this one. Gamma.app. This is the perfect one. We ignore the sponsored results and the focus on Gamma. So once you click there, it will of course tell you to log in. So I'm going to accept the cookies and continue with start for free. So of course I'm going to use my Go account to sign in for this. So you give it permission to access your Go account, and instantly you'll be logged in. So to create that, so basically when you're here, we are going to give it a prompt. Now for this video, we are going to get a prompt from ChatGPT. So I will open ChatGPT.com. I'm going to create I want to get the prompt so that I can paste into Gamma.app. So to do that, I'm just going to click on ChatGPT and ask and give it a prompt. So once we have generated that prompt for ChatGPT, we're going to get a custom prompt that we're going to paste into Gamma.ai that can create for us that visually appealing presentation that we need. So this is the prompt. I'm going to just copy this. After copying, I'm going to paste in Gamma. So you can select what you want, but as I said, we want a presentation. You can select how many cards you want, then the type you want, and so on and so forth. Keep in mind that the most advanced features are in the paid version. So, but first we're using the free version for now, so we shall just go ahead and continue. And you click edit prompt. So this edit prompt, that's where you're going to select what you want for it. For example, you can say condensed, you want extensive, you want detailed. In this video, I will not go through all that, but you will also try it out later yourself. If we're going to create, or if it is students, you put students, but I will leave it as it is. English that you will want to use, the language, choose the font, the style that you want, and all those and so forth. So for image source, you can select image, you can also accent, you can do placeholders and so on and so forth. Keep in mind also you can edit this later on. So after that, presentation, I'm going to, so after that I will just see it's done and add instructions. You can send card by card or freeform if you want. So after, make sure that everything is okay, click generate. So if it is done and you like it, yeah, for now, I was in lighting, but let me choose dark. But you can see it better, but still you can choose the theme you want. So for this purpose, I'm going to leave it at this theme. So basically that is it. If you like it, you can do other changes. Like for example, you can edit. If you don't feel like it, you can still change your word, or you can alternate, or you can improve. So now to export, you're going to click the share button, and then you can select if you want link. But now for this purpose, I want it in a PDF form. You click export to PDF. So after that, you download it. You can open a preview of the PDF, and then you can open it. So basically, it looks wonderful. As you can see, it looks very visual appealing. And keep in mind, we have done this in less than 10 minutes. You can also choose other formats. For example, you can test in PowerPoint, Google Slides, or even images if you feel like. And that comes to the end of our video. Please subscribe. There are more tools that are coming up. And for this video, if you have not watched it yet, please go to the channel. I'm going to tag that video somewhere, and then you can watch how to make money with ChatGPT and Canva.